Yeah, go come bother. Cause me, I have no bother. Yeah, fuck it. Odika. Mwaka yuzo za kampana. Bela hamijina. Ebenezer, eh. Good evening, sir. Oi. Weather for what again? Oi. If you look, you're gonna enter my video. So you're gonna face your front. Oh, yeah, but I got straight. If not, if you look, I'll capture your face. Okay. I download it from Audio Mac. Or yes, download it by yourself. But I'm sending this. Abula mmadụ sendele m from Zenda here. Abula downloaded it from Chrome or Google here. Ogechi. Nwere audio man. Nwa kwa mama. Na nwere audio man. Only nwere audio man ikwuo na. Nwehe. Ay, kuna phone na hangere. Ile ko je apps. Ikolo apps le ko jile. Ngine chi mepe WhatsApp. Iya tagada anya yourself makashi. Iya ata ya on tasa. Mana iba normal ma on before. Before me WhatsApp on install. On me e buy data otu a. Phone atugole zu anga. Okay, ya name. Ya feel. Maka imepe shabe melody do ka okanaga. Imepe share. By the time we start ala mmodo ne na one. Gbanyo data. By the next day, gba data on. If I go to phone, it does say one side. Altogether, yeah. Hope you can see me. You can hear me. My apps on my phone, 100. The work for you. 100 apps. Olu 20. Olu 20. 100 apps you can my phone. So, if any danger, we buy the data. Only in notification to them, my Google account, my Gmail, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Notification hancha ni na baba. Kana otugo dezu hangi. Na e buy do say. Cause WhatsApp messages. My dear. My group to na WhatsApp. And for the area you do WhatsApp. I want the payment. I say so you can give the wish. I want the payment. WhatsApp man with the bonus you say. We no idea. Oh God, I beg you. Ouch. Why ain't got smile because I see no more. Why are you smiling? Gorgeous. My God, rain is something else. Something else. Why you mention that I'm not going to put it? You're going to ask me what it is. Or should I check the cost? I will. Yeah, how about that one? I don't know. Why? How is it? If I'm back by again at the shop, you can go 750, but I can't get to that shop. Go come on, man. If I'm back, I'm not even at shop. I don't know where. My phone gonna that kind of thing. Oh, I'm not going to go. I'm not going to make it go. That's not my Mpụtata ka ị na-agbapụ. Wee sị gị agbazina. Ịgbazina. Onye ji ụgwọ dị ndụ ya anwụ na anwụ. Ogechi ka mma. Nke nwaanyị nke ifo mgbafere. Waiting in your love is all I do for the living. I tempted to touch your foreign booty. If I kill him all, see the love I got. Oh baby, this love is real. Oh. I give you one more put time fish. Oh, I'm like, oh, boy, I can't basha. Catch it good. You don't know. I forgot those. What's up? I'm doing a boss. He is only go. I forgot already. So no fog. Go to the fog. If fog camera on is on a good now. Can you call it here? I can't do that for. Don't worry. Hi, Apple. No. I am waiting. No rain. What do you say?
Thank you.
Adam. Mbao. Ye mi sim nana. E ata. Mushelu. Ya bi buzi machine aga. Okay. Onye fusko we na video mnya diwe. Nya sorry oh. My guy, it's fine girl. Look. I go there anyway. Hey, I ain't actually. Hey, yes, I feel really hey, I go there anyway. I ain't actually that. My boss had to come in 2 or 3 days. Only channel boss. So be pay before.
Look at your cutie
Ability.
how your cutie
Cutie method of gonna go now. Cutie method of gonna
you
go.
have cutie you have boyfriend you have crush you have bestie
Another person. In a spam live video. Where are you going with my umbrella, madam? Can't you see it's raining? It has been raining, oh God. What's this? What's this? What is this? It has been raining. Like, what do we do about this rain? God. This is something else. This is something else. Something else. Something else. Something else. Something else. So it's been raining. Oh God, you can't even go anywhere. Wow. I am outside, and we don't even have lights. So I actually went to look for somewhere to charge my phone. It's raining heavily. My guys, This is weather for two. Oh God. Am I a spoon? 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 Am I a spoon or am I a spoon? It's been raining. Who am I visiting though? I need hot tea, hot tea. Close though, I beg. Where they go? It's raining. Oh, it's raining. Can you imagine? Oh, no light. We don't even have any hope of life. In the next few days, no hope. We don't have hope. We don't have hope. Yeah. So bad, so bad. Because I don't know what we're gonna do. Imagine the way the rain is beating people. It was same thing yesterday. The rain was much. It was absolutely much. Yeah. You have no other option. You keep pushing. My problem is that light issue because as long as there's rain is falling every time and all that. There is nothing we can do about it. So what do we do? Nothing. Nothing. Please, where's your location? Drop your location at the comment section. Let's see where you're watching from. This is Anambra State. Maybe Anambra State though. Who else is in Anambra? Newi, Newi precisely. It's raining, like it's raining heavily. As you can see, you can't even hear me well. So that's it for you. It's raining, oh, it's raining, oh. It's raining, it's raining. Yeah, so it is in there. Yes. No, no. I just came out to look for where to charge my phone. No lights. Because of the rain, they refused to give us lights. So I just came outside to check if I can charge my phone at any nearby shop. But rain started. What do we do? Nothing. Nothing. Can't wait. It's going to rain like this. It's going to continue like this till tomorrow morning. Yesterday was the same thing. It was raining. It started raining from I think it was around 7 p.m. yesterday. It rained. Like it rained from that 7 p.m. to the next morning. I didn't even go to class today on time because I didn't even know when they break. I slept till 6:30. Yeah, I think. If I woke up, I was late to class today because it was raining. Who's going out under this rain? Nobody, not even me. Yeah. I don't know if it's stopping anytime soon, but I just hope it stops because I need to charge my phone. Very important. Very, very important. People are rushing home. People are rushing home. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. People are rushing home. So there is nothing I can do, and See how everywhere is dark. Everywhere is so dark. Can't even see anybody. Just the lights from the bike and cars and the street lights. It's raining, raining. It's raining. Oh God, I don't even know. Whatever. Who knew? I must charge my phone. No, I must charge my phone. It's just I have just 35% here, and I must charge it. Hey, not even on that capability. I must charge my phone because I have a whole lot of work to do. I'm so lucky I was still at home when the rain started. Not but beats me chiggy like chiggy, but for more chiggy for my eye. But new regardless. But my problem is that I am allergic to cold here. So I do avoid rain and all that. Even if I go out and it started raining somewhere, I just have to wait or find something to cover myself up. So people are going home, people are rushing home. You don't have something to cover yourself. What do you have to do? You have to go home now. That's what it's about. You have to go home. People are seriously watching, looking at me. Why looking at me? Oh my God. It's raining, oh God, it's raining. This girl should come now. Actually, I'm waiting for someone. Yeah, I'm waiting. Ah, God. God will bless the children. They're inside this keeper under the screen. Do you know this girl? We meet. We meet. Okay, let's go. Hey, hey, my God. Yeah, so good evening, sir. Okay, tomorrow. Yes. The shop is locked already now. Till tomorrow. Oh my God. Look at this man. Oh, good night, so. Oh, why Muraisi? Why London? Oh, look at this man. This man wants to fight me. Can you imagine? Hey, God. Ọchụ nwoke. Na amụkwa. Hey, nda. Igwe ya pụta na bido. Okay, oh, we move. We move. Away. We're on the front. Now. She go now. I'm not feeling now. Away. You like why one more on about active. Available. Fuck you. Fuck you. There is nothing you can do. Hey, look at me, oh. See me see wahala, oh. See my video in peace, oh. So now they see people. Oh, it's my umbrella. You know go like to see this umbrella. Umbrella don't care. Hey. Hey, whoa. Why I screamed fuck you, eh? This person don't go like see me tomorrow. You be like, oh, who's this girl? Oh my God. Okay. Bad road. Bad road. Bad road. Look at this. Look at this. Can you imagine? Look at this. Like very bad road. Can you imagine? Oh, okay now. This one is River Niger. River what? Okay. River what again? River Niger. River Niger. Look at this. Look at this. Look. So now they see. But I don't know your thing, Maka. Better I can't help us. So now they see. Very bad. Very, very, very. Very, very. See. Just look at this. Bad road. Bad road. Bad road. God. Hey. Bad road, though. Bad road. That's the umbrella, no? Hey, umbrella, what they manage? What's up, Anga? Try by your phone. Sure, now they see this man. Sure, now they see this man. See, you're just leaving it, though. You don't want to see man. You forgot about it. No, baby. No. No, baby. Madam, buy an umbrella. Why? Buy an umbrella now. Say that I come. Just say that I can come out of Show na they see. Road well they manage. Okay. Oh, okay. Now they see I'm not. See. Look at this place. Hell! River Benue. River Benue. Okay. River Benue. Okay. Boom. Okay. The mule. Regardless. We are used to it. We're not scared. We're not scared. We're not scared. We're not scared. We fucking used to it already. What the heck? Why? You want to lie? You want to lie? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Hey! Oh. Look at this. Like, you don't even have a good road here. Oh, God. I would have shown you the other side, but whoa! This is something else. I need hot tea. Like a very hot one. Hot tea. Read my lips. Hot tea. Hot tea. Yeah. I better go. Man, I can't carry me come for this state. I don't tire. I want go Dubai. I want go Dubai, yeah? Bye-bye. If you hey, sorry if you don't hear Igbo. So sorry. Bye-bye now. Hey, whoa. This guy has left me behind. Can you imagine? I have to go shop Akara soon. Go shop Akara. It's raining. It's raining. You have seen me in this my current condition. Yeah. That is rain. The breeze is trying to collect the umbrella from me. We know it. Look at. Hey, stop, It's coming higher, higher. Higher, 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 higher. This man has stepped on me. Although she said sorry, so no problem. I don't have a problem with that. I am too generous. I'm a good person. So nothing less than that. Oh my god. I'm actually going to. Oh my god. What the heck is the meaning of this rain? Oh, people are dodging. This person wants to do Mora high. When you don't do it, I'm shaking. Woo. Don't see shaking, My god. I'm going to hide my phone there. Anyway, sorry if you cannot see my face. Sorry, it's raining. I'm trying to show you the weather. So sorry about that. You'll see my face some other time. Some other time. This will not even on Jen because of this one rain. Hey, Aija, enjoy my content. Okay, so that will be the end of it. Let me go and buy akara. Oh my god. I'm going to buy akara. Look at this place, this particular spot. Okay, yeah. This is just good. So I will see you guys some other time. Thank you guys for watching and joining me. I love you all. Hi, Miriam.